Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. Today we are going to discuss in the fourth lesson part 2. In the previous class I have completed the part 1, right? Now see here. Plants in areas with the heavy rainfall. First I will read the para and later I will explain to you. Here what is there? Areas with heavy rainfall have hot and humid climate. Trees growing in such areas have lot of leaves that remain green throughout the year. They are called evergreen trees. They do not shed their leaves, for example, rubber and teak. Here nothing but children, we are going to learn about the plants which grow in where the areas having the heavy rainfall. When there is a heavy rainfall, how will the weather will be there? Suppose today rain comes, so much rain will fall. Okay, then tomorrow, next day, how the climate will be there, whether it will be hot or cool, very hot, yes or no. Today if it rains heavily, next day the weather will be hot, and it also will be the humid అంటే తేమ అంటాం కదా, తడి తడిగా ఉంటుంది కదా. So the land will be like that. Wherever the areas which there is having the heavy rainfall, the weather will be like that, hot and humid. Next, trees growing in such areas have lot of leaves that remain green throughout the year. So as heavy rains are falling here in these areas, the trees which are growing there will have the many leaves and they will be green color only. For whole year all the leaves will be in green color only because they are getting sufficient water due to the rains. Next, so that type of trees are called as what? It's some evergreen trees. So these type of trees which grow, which live where there is a heavy rainfall areas are called as the evergreen trees. What are the examples we shall see now? They do not shed their leaves. Shed ante ఊడిపోవడం. Okay, these leaves will not fall. For example, rubber and teak. So what are the examples for the plants which grow in the areas with heavy rainfall? Means you should say that the rubber and teak. These are the examples of the plants which grow in the areas for where there is a heavy rainfall. Okay, and now moving to the next. Till now we have learned about where plants which grow in the heavy rainfall. No, now we shall see plants in the swampy and marshy areas. Marshy ante where there are more water, బుడద బుడద అంటాం కదన్నా, such type. See here what is there. First I will read the para. In swampy areas, swampy is nothing but marshy. Marshy or swampy both are same. In swampy area the soil is clayey and sticky in nature. Clay means what? బంకమట్టి అంటాం కదా, బుడద బుడద ఉంటుంది. Okay, so in this type of areas the soil will be clay soil, you know, no, and sticky in nature, అతుక్కుపోతుంది, బుడద బుడద ఉంటుంది. Trees called mangroves grow here. So which type of plants will be growing in the swampy areas? Means mangroves. See here in the picture you can see now here mangroves plants. These type of plants will be growing in these marshy areas. Roots of these plants grow out of the soil. This is because they do not get air for breathing in the clayey soil. Such roots are called as the aerial roots or breathing roots. Here nothing is there, Nana. So that plants which grow in these marshy areas are called as what? Mangroves. What are the examples? Means mangroves. And the roots of these plants grow out of the soil. Okay, this type of mangroves plants, how they will be growing those roots? They will be coming out of the soil. This is because they do not get air for breathing in the clay soil. Why all the roots will come outside from the soil? Because in the clay soil they will not get any air for breathing. So because of this reason all the roots will be coming outside of the soil, and such type of roots are called as what? Aerial roots or breathing roots. What are these roots names, Nana? Aerial roots or breathing roots. Here nothing is there. Once again I am saying, see, we are going to learn here we have learned about plants which grow in the swampy area. Swampy means nothing. Marshy means which type of soil will be there here? Clay soil, bankamatti. Though so that type of soil whole it will be sticky. Which type of plants will grow in this soil? Means in this marshy areas means mangroves. What are the examples? Mangrove plants will grow here, and all the plants, all the roots of these mangrove plants will be coming outside of the soil. Why they will be coming out of the soil? Because in the clay soil they cannot breathe. Okay, as they cannot take the take the air to breathe properly in the clayey soil, all the roots will be coming outside from the soil. And what the name they have given for this type of roots? Breathing roots or aerial roots. See here some tasks they have given. Name any two plants for each of the following. Desert area. Tell me in desert area which type of plants will be growing. I have written here, see, date palms, bubble tree. Okay, these plants will be growing in the desert areas. Next, marshy areas. Just now we have seen in marshy areas which plants will be growing. Mangroves, salt grass. All these plants will be growing in the marshy areas. Next, in mountains, pine and fir plants will be growing. Next, in plains, neem tree, ashoka tree. Next, areas with the heavy rainfall, where there is a heavy rainfall, which type of trees will be growing? Rubber and teak. Okay, these type of plants will be growing in the heavy rainfall. In the next class I will continue with the next topic, Nana. Thank you.